In this video, we'll explore practical and easy-to-follow tips to improve mental health and overall well-being. From practicing mindfulness to maintaining a healthy lifestyle, these 10 strategies are designed to help you feel happier, more focused, and in control of your emotions. Perfect for anyone looking to prioritize their mental health, whether you're facing challenges or just aiming for a healthier mind. 10 simple ways to boost your mental health and well-being. 1. Practice mindfulness. Life can get hectic and overwhelming, but carving out just 5-10 minutes a day for mindfulness or meditation can have a big impact on your mental health. Focus on your breath, tune into your surroundings, or try using a guided meditation app. These small moments of mindfulness help you stay present and reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. 2. Stay active. Moving your body isn't just great for physical health, it's a game changer for your mind too. Exercise releases endorphins, the feel-good chemicals that boost your mood. Whether it's a quick walk, a dance session, or a yoga class, find an activity you love and make it part of your daily life. 3. Connect with others. We're wired for connection, and having a solid support system can do wonders for your well-being. Spend quality time with friends, call a family member, or join a community group. Even a simple chat can make you feel less isolated and more supported. 4. Get enough sleep. Sleep is the foundation of good mental health. Aim for 7-8 hours of restful sleep every night. To set yourself up for success, create a calming bedtime routine. Dim the lights, put away your devices, and avoid caffeine in the evening. A rested mind is a resilient mind. 5. Eat a balanced diet. What you eat plays a huge role in how you feel. Include brain-boosting foods like leafy greens, nuts, berries, and fatty fish in your diet. Cut back on processed foods and sugary snacks, which can lead to mood swings and energy dips. Remember, good nutrition fuels a healthy mind. 6. Take breaks from technology. Being constantly connected can be draining. Step away from screens and take regular breaks from social media, work emails, and your phone. Use this time to relax, go for a walk, or enjoy a screen-free activity. Disconnecting helps recharge your mind and prevent digital burnout. 7. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a simple but powerful way to shift your perspective. Each day, write down 3 things you're thankful for. It could be something as small as a kind word or as big as a personal achievement. This habit trains your brain to focus on the positives in life. 8. Set realistic goals. Big goals can feel daunting, but breaking them into smaller, achievable steps makes a huge difference. Celebrate each small win along the way. This approach reduces stress, builds momentum, and boosts your confidence as you progress. 9. Learn stress management techniques. Stress is part of life, but how you handle it can make all the difference. Try deep breathing exercises, journaling, or yoga to calm your mind. Explore different techniques to find what works best for you. Everyone's stress relief toolkit is unique. 10. Seek professional help if needed. Sometimes, we all need extra support, and there's no shame in that. Contact a therapist or counselor if you're feeling stuck, overwhelmed, or unsure where to turn. Professional guidance can provide valuable tools and strategies to help you navigate challenges and improve your mental health. Take care of your mind and body, they're worth it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any of our updates. Join us for more valuable health tips and insights. Thank you for your support.